growing up, I sold my soul a good price, out of sight. My hoe got talent.
Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Ali G here, back with another video. And today I am going to be unboxing my new Apple Watch, or new, I guess you could say, but I'm pretty sure it's refurbished. But let's see if this is a good. So let's unbox this baby. So if you guys watched my video, like whenever it was uploaded, you should have seen that I got my Apple Watch, or I said that I got my Apple Watch fixed or something. So let's just open this. My handy dandy knife. Let's go. So what this shows me, Apple Watch. That's it in the box. So that's to the side. There should be a, no, it's just a slide. Slide this off. Well, this is what you get when you get your watch, when you get your watch fixed, and it should come in this box. Or if you just got it and need it fixed, then it's just gonna come with the watch, I'm pretty sure. So let's get that off, and let's just open this. Let's see if I can. Let's see if I can. There you go. So Apple Watch, Apple Care service. Just all about whatever I gotten into. Has the right way to hit this product, and just others. Has a different. So this is a replacement Apple Watch, as you can see here. If you guys can read that, pause the video here if you want to read this, in case you are getting your Apple Watch fixed. So this is my Apple Watch. So let's pull them out. It's a 38mm Series 1, I'm pretty sure it is still. Well, it's okay. I'll use it. It's brand new, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's brand new. I'm pretty sure. So let's get that nice rip. There's that, and then here's the Apple Watch. So this is the 38mm casing. I'm keeping this box. This is a nice box. I'm gonna put it back in its case, and then I gotta go get the Apple Watch bands and stuff back from my closet. So this is the box it originally came in. Sorry if it's blurry, I just can't focus it right now. So let's just grab that, take that off. Got my watch bands. I have a lot more watch bands than these ones, but they're all third party, so I'm gonna use these for now while I can. And yeah, there's the 3 watch bands. Let me just fix your focus. Here are the 3 watch bands that I still have, and then I have a ton more. If you guys want to see a what do you call it? Not watch unboxing. Watch band video, then comment down below if you guys want to see that. See what watch bands I have. Let's just plug this in right here, and I'm gonna do time lapse just a second. Let me just plug this in. Plug this in and see if it works. Should charge in just a second. There you go. Now I gotta set this back up to my phone. Hopefully I don't break my phone, and then I'm gonna, all that stuff again. So yeah, let me just fix it so I can do the time lapse. And there you go. it.